You are going to love the 2013 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.